This is a stk IC, stk4152, and this is a stk circuit board. We can use here stk4122, 4191, 4121, 4141, 4191. Lots of IC you can use in this circuit. If you want this circuit diagram, please check the comment link. There have the same circuit diagram. Now I am going to make this amplifier using this IC. This is STK. Now I am using stk4152. We can use here 4122, 4191. There are lots of IC you can use here. This 4152 can make 35 watt, 35 plus 35 watt in studio. Here all resistance should be 1 watt. All resistance should be 1 watt. This is a 1K. I am using here 1K. 1K 1 watt. This one also 1K 1 watt. This same circuit diagram you can get from the comment link. This one also 1 watt, 1 watt, 1K. Here also need another one, 1K 1 watt. This is 2.2K, 2.2K 1 watt. Here also another 2.2K 1 watt. This one another one 2.2K. Or need one. Here this is also 2.2K. It's a Brother Electronics Mike Pute Joshua. If you want this type of circuit diagram, please contact with us from the comment. There have our number. There have our contact number. You can WhatsApp us, and if you want to make your own, then you can get the circuit diagram from the comment link. Thank you for watching the video. It's Brother Electronics Mike Pute Joshua. Thank you for watching.